If you ever feel like starting a Udemy course from the beginning for a fresher, cleaner learning experience, resetting your progress is completely possible. And today I'll show you exactly how to do it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Udemy. Once the official website appears, click on it to head straight to the home page. If you aren't logged in yet, sign in using your usual credentials. After logging in, go to the section called My Learning. This is where all your active courses are stored. Find the course you want to restart and open it. Inside the course, you'll notice a progress meter at the top showing how much of the course you've completed. Udemy doesn't offer a one-click reset button, so the only way to reset your progress is to manually mark each completed lesson as incomplete. On the right side of your course interface, you'll see a list of all the lessons, quizzes, and assignments. Go through them one by one and click the check mark to remove the completion status. Each time you unmark an item, your progress meter will drop. Continue until everything is unchecked. It might take a little time depending on how much you've completed, but once you're done, your course will be fully reset and ready for a fresh start. And that's all it takes. By manually clearing each completed item, you'll have a clean slate and a renewed learning journey. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a quick reminder. Happy learning!